Hey snake lovers. She's from Fern Gully too. And the same one to this one by the same artist, Brandon Glee, and aka Henry Scholar. If you're watching this right now, I strike again. Hopefully you do. Ooh, like I just said. Please. Please do. Tag in the power juju. Don't make me do the lip thing. Bless you. Okay, to be honest, if I were a bit younger, you might find me kinda cute. Also, I need a bath to get clean. Anyways, leave a like and subscribe if you love seeing somebody like her get wrapped around like a snake. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.